Ask most team leaders at pretty much any call center in the world how much time they spend developing their team and coaching and training, and most of them will tell you not enough, and they're quick to add, how they wish they had enough time because most of their team really need it. The main reason they give for not providing training or coaching is that they just don't have the time with all the different admin, HR, and supervision tasks they have to do every day. However, if team leaders aren't overburdened with too many tasks, then you're really dealing with an excuse, and that's an easy fix. Hi everyone, I'm Mark Carriere, and in today's video you'll discover a simple management tool and how to use it to make sure team leaders are doing all the critical activities they need to get done every week, especially coaching and training. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know how to grab a copy of this tool to customize for your own operation. If this is your first time visiting my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way when I upload more team leader training videos and tips, you'll get notified. Having managed call centers and consulted with small to large businesses around the world for 35 years and having owned a call center myself, I wish I had $1 for every time I heard a team leader say they didn't have time to coach or train their team members. And to be fair, some have a point when you look at all the different things they have to do each day and every week. And if that's the case in your center, have a good look at what can be handled by admin rather than the team leader. After all, their number one priority should be reaching their team's goals each week, right? To identify if any of the tasks need to be shifted elsewhere and to make sure team leaders are spending their time and energy on the key result areas of their jobs, like providing really effective coaching, here's a simple tool I created, the Team Leader Scheduler, that you can use to make sure team leaders are spending the time they need to complete all their critical tasks every week.
So here's the Team Leader Scheduler tool, and it's a very simple tool to use. And you may see that, it takes a bit of time when you first set it up because of your thinking through your priorities and that. But once that's been done, everything every week after that, it's really simple because, as you'll see, only a few things are likely to change from week to week. So first thing to do is list all the tasks that people would do. So, for example, I've got different sections like general admin daily and weekly. Next, I've got, team supervision general. Team supervision daily, weekly. These are the tasks that need to be done every day and every week. Coaching and development, excuse me, all of those tasks that are involved with that, be it call monitoring or coaching, training, and different sessions like that. Next thing you do is you would set a task priority. So A would be the highest, B second, C obviously the third, and you would go through every task and determine, which ones have the higher priorities, like we have here in the case of A1. The next you do is you put the level of priority. So obviously of the A tasks, some are going to be more important than the others. So what you need to do is list all of those by number 1 through. So in this case, with A priority, what I've done here is I've identified that team member coaching and training needs, identifying those are number 1. Next, you would assign how much time it would take you to do that. And because you'd be looking at reports for this area, I reckon about 30 minutes should be able to pull it up quite easily. And then you understand what's the best day. And in this case, I've put down Monday. Best time of the day, Monday, said 9 to 9:30. So once you've done this for all the tasks in your list, in all of these areas, the simple thing to do then, as we'll see here with A1, is copy that and paste that into Monday at 9 to 9:30, as we've done here. And then you go through every list from A1, A2, all the way through to B and C, and start building the weekly schedule. And then all the team leader needs to do is, put their name, the specific date on that. You can see that it builds it up for them. And there's a lot of the activities that need to be done, generally speaking, that these things can be done, like prepare warnings and communicate effectively with team members on warnings and make appropriate decisions related to corrective action. These things can come, as they come up, can be done during the areas that you have for supervised team. All right, so you can see that there's some different activities for every day. If a activity, for example, admin emails, looking at those sorts of things, if you don't need 30 minutes for that on that particular Wednesday, well, you've got a little more time up your sleeve. Again, as I said, the only things that are likely to change each week are the different team members that you reviewing their performance. So this could be listening to a couple of calls. So to understand, what challenges they're going to have in scoring those calls so you can later have a training session with that team member. So that's pretty much the team leader scheduling tool.
Love to hear what you think about the Team Leader Scheduler tool, so please leave a comment below. And if you have any questions, put them there too, and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. Now, if you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button below. And if you think this video can help somebody, please share it with them too. And as I promised, if you want a copy of the Team Leader Weekly Scheduler to customize for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description below so you can grab it. You might also like to check out my latest video, Call Center Responsibilities Matrix. It shows you how to conduct a simple exercise to ensure call center managers and team leaders are crystal clear about their individual and shared responsibilities. I'll leave a link in the video description too. I think you'll find it really useful, particularly filling in all the tasks you want team leaders to include in the scheduler tool you've just seen. So be sure to check it out. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I post new team leader training videos and tips every single Wednesday, and when a new video has been uploaded, you'll get notified. So thanks again for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all next time.